Hi, I'm Kirsten with WinterKids.com. I'm standing with the Chilcat Bib by Obermeyer. It's a great bib pant for those kids that get colder than most. It is fully insulated from the bottom all the way up. And what they've done is they've taken the insulation and quilted it up top, and it has a fleece line on the interior, so it's just warm and cozy, just offering another little extra layer of warmth on a really cold day. It's got a nice pocket on the hip, it's got adjustments on the shoulder straps, it also has an adjustment on the interior of the waist, fully zipped so it's easy to get on and off. It also features Obermeyer's wonderful iGrow system. So this is when your child has grown mid-season or from one season to the next. You simply turn the garment inside out. You'll find 3 contrast threads. Pull the threads out completely just with a little nip, and then when you pull it down, the pant leg will have grown 2 inches. And then with the adjustments that you get in the shoulder, you're bound to be able to wear this for a couple seasons or more. This is the Chilcat Bib by Obermeyer.